Håfa Adai. I'm Donna at the Foodie Flex, where we share Guam's food, culture, and real-life moments. Today I'm talking about the Kick the Fat 5K. Kick the Fat is Guam's largest 5K run-walk event. Every year, thousands of people wake up before sunrise to head to the start line, from serious runners to full-on stroller crews like us. It's hosted by Payless Markets and it brings together the whole island. It's come a long way since then, and now it's one of the most loved events on Guam's calendar. So this year, I signed up again, and let's just say it was a journey. I did not prep for this. I walked most of it, took a whole bunch of breaks, and definitely had a few moments where I questioned my life choices.
Good job. Hey, go here, push.
But I made it through thanks to my husband for pushing me.
Easy money.
Even if you're not a runner, it's the kind of event that makes you feel part of something bigger. You don't have to be an athlete. I sure wasn't. Just come as you are, move at your own pace, and be part of something that really brings Guam together. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this, and see you out there next year. Probably still walking. Maybe not. Bye!